member we want to introduce to you guys. So, you ready? All right, come in. Don't be shy. Come on over. You're a little slow and short.
You're not short.
You're petite.
No.
You're small.
No.
You're fun-sized.
Okay.
All right, you're fun-sized. Anyways, guys, introducing our new Slamatory team member, Nico. We actually have already introduced him on a different video, on a different channel, a new channel we just opened up. It's called Slamatory. It's gonna basically be all things slime, but even more things slime. And it's gonna have a bunch of new Slamatory team members, including Nico, which you guys actually helped with picking out his name because I was calling him Mr. Bot before, but now he's Nico. Right, Nico?
Right.
Yes, Nico. Anyways, on that other channel, we did a video on teaching Nico how to make slime. So now he knows how to make slime. We're gonna have a competition with Jetta and him are going to be competing on who can make the better looking slime.
Obviously, it's me. Right, Nico?
You are going down.
Okay, well now that we've got this all settled, let's get straight on into the video. Yo.
What?
Okay, first step is to choose which base we're doing. So,
I want clear.
Let's do this, Almira.
okay, choose a color. Choose the base.
We are going white glue.
White glue. From now on, I will be making Nico's slime, but he's leading the way.
And I'm gonna make mine pink.
Is this a good amount?
Or,
You're just saying that because you're not the one who has to knead this together.
okay, that is good.
Great. All right, what else do you want to do with your slime? You're leading this. I am just making it for you.
I know.
Doesn't know. That's how he's winning.
Stop rushing me.
Okay, well, Nico's being like a slowpoke. I'm gonna start mixing in my pink slime coloring in here.
Hey,
Yeah?
Maya,
What? It's not really my name, but okay.
I need help.
I can't help you. This is your slime.
That would be cheating.
You forgot what? It's the color. You need to put color and scent. You need to put color and scent.
Okay, I think Nico is being super slow. So I'm gonna put my scent now and I'm choosing flower scent.
Ooh.
Kidding, I know what I am doing. Pop a prank you on.
Oh, right. One of his classic pranks. Nico likes to prank people.
Can you remind me of the scents we have?
We have... You want me to like name them all? We've got like 30.
Yes.
We got pineapple, we got lemon, green strawberry, watermelon, vanilla, sweet cream, lavender. Strawberry's a good one. I like strawberry.
Put a lot.
We got the strawberry scent.
A lot.
That was a lot.
A lot.
Okay, what color do you want to do?
Yellow and red, I think is good.
You want like orange or you want me to make two different slimes, yellow and red?
Yes.
What does that mean? You want orange or yellow and red?
Do it.
Do what? Okay, I'm just gonna put red and yellow in there. There we go. Here's some yellow, and then here is some red.
Or
I'm done with literally making my slime. I need to go get my addons and stuff because I already have like a great, and mine smells delicious. I don't think you have a chance with me, Nico.
You wanna activate this now or?
Almira,
Yeah.
you are too slow.
Hey, Nico, look at mine, how pretty it is. Ooh. Are you jealous?
Yeah?
We need to do better.
But this is your thing, it's not my thing. You need to do better.
Okay, activate.
Okay, let's activate the slime.
Can you go quicker?
Yeah, I can make the slime very quick. Maybe while I'm making the slime, you should think about what you're gonna do with the slime.
Okay, I have to go see what is in the Slimatory world.
Okay.
Are you done yet, Leah?
Not yet. Still needing the slime.
Too slow. Jetta already has her slime made.
I'm done with the slime.
Mine's prettier.
And it smells really good.
Mine smells prettier.
Can you smell it?
Can we go to Slimatory world now?
Yes, so let's go do that. Carry on.
Stop rushing me.
I didn't rush you, all right? I'm standing here. I'm gonna wait for you to take a year to get to the Slimatory. Slow.
What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
Jay, did she say I am slow?
No, wait, Amira? Amira said you're slow.
I didn't say you were slow. You're super fast.
I'm tired. Where did she go? Leah. Where you left me?
I didn't leave you. You need to go a little faster, all right? No,
Downstairs.
just, okay, well, it's the Slimatory. What are you scared about? Just pick your supplies.
I want oranges.
Oranges? Like sprinkles?
Yes.
All right, there, you got orange sprinkles.
Orange.
I don't have more. It's like barely empty.
Orange.
What do you want?
Orange glitter.
Here, I got you orange glitter. Is this good? Just,
Plastic circle.
it's fishbowl beads. You want the yellow ones?
Yes. No. Purple.
You want purple beads?
Yes.
Okay, orange and purple it is.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab some magical clay because I'm gonna make some flowers because it's gonna be called Magical Flower Garden. So I'm gonna start with pink magical clay, some yellow, purple, violet, and some blue. Now I'm gonna grab some glitter and this one right here. Is there any flowers on here? Some ducks. Because ducks like to be in little flower gardens and ponds, right?
You need to add the ingredients in the slime.
Yeah, I don't think your arms are very good for slime making. Okay, so you want me to add these fishbowl beads? I'll just kind of... All of them? Okay, now we're gonna add our Fimos and then our glitter, orange sherbet, apparently. And then you wanted an orange charm, so I found in like the Slamatory charm section. I think it's pretty cute.
Yes, put them
All of the charms, I'm gonna put them on top when I put it in the container.
No, put the charm.
There's all the charms in there. Happy?
No, add all of them.
Yes, I got them all. We're gonna put them in the container now. Okay, we're gonna put the charms on top and we're good. Do you want some glitter on it?
Yes, put the whole thing.
I'm not putting the whole thing of glitter, all right? I draw the line at that, okay? We're putting it on top. That looks good. It looks like Fruit Paradise or something.
Even if we lose it, it's because you didn't listen to me, okay?
Okay, now I'm gonna put my toppings. And since it's a magical flower garden here,
That looks cool,
and I think I want like the little flower.
but not as cool as mine.
Okay. We'll see who wins, Nico. I'm very confident.
To lose.
Well, that's funny because I was gonna tell you you're gonna lose right now.
No, those flowers are pretty.
Thank you.
Ugly.
So I'm just gonna keep putting my flowers there. I'm gonna put my bees on my flowers.
Yes, that's so cool.
I know, right? I put another flower over here. And I have some little duckies in here as well. Some bunnies. Look at the bunnies.
Bunnies are gonna drown in water.
But it's magical.
And I have a little, what is this?
That is a bird.
It's not a bird.
Swan.
Oh, you are smart. Okay, I'm gonna put the swan over here. And I'm gonna put some glitter.
All right, it's time for judgment time. Who wants to go first?
Me!
Ah, it's too slow.
If not slow, you're slow.
All right, Jay, let me see your slime.
Right here.
That looks great.
It's called Magical Flower Garden.
Very beautiful.
It reminds me of the Barbie movie.
I love Barbie.
All right, Jay, do some ASMR.
All right, so I'm gonna take out the duckies.
I want to squish one. Oh, yeah. That's nice.
You having fun, Paul?
Very nice slime. Oh, that smells like flowers.
Yes.
Whoa.
And that's my slime.
Oh, this is so cool. You actually outdone yourself this time. This
Thank
is one
you.
of the
I had
best slime.
to. I had to because somebody was bullying me.
All right, Amir, it's your turn. Actually, it's not
his
your
turn,
turn.
yeah.
It's his turn. That's right. Okay, what do you have?
What?
What is it called?
I said Fruit Smoothie Paradise. No, this is your slime, so.
All it is called fruit orange.
Okay, fruit orange. Okay, all right. Well, it looks really nice. I like it. You make this all by yourself?
I mean, I made the slime. He chose the ingredients.
Okay, well, it looks beautiful. Let's try it out.
Okay, we've got the fruits.
It smells good.
What, you can smell?
So, thank you.
Okay, here's the slime. Fruit Smoothie Paradise. Or actually, Fruit Orange, my bad.
I love it. I choose the winner to be. Drum roll, please. Jenna!
I won!
Not fair. If that.
It's okay, this is your first time making slime. Maybe, you know, in a few more tries, you'll win. What?
I want to go.
Where's he going?
I don't know. He just said he wanted to go. Okay, well, I guess Nico's just gonna stand over there. I feel kind of bad. Anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you guys comment down below if you want to see more of Nico, the slime making robot. And make sure you check out the new channel, Slimatory. Like I said, it's just gonna have a bunch more slime experiments and new Slimatory team members. And make sure you subscribe and press notifications. And that is it, ladies. I really hope I see you next time. Bye!